Morning everyone. Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to explain chapter 1 in science where I'm explaining the topic germination of seed. First of all, I want to show you the pictures of seeds present inside the fruits. Can you see this? This one, watermelon. Several seeds present inside it. Peach containing the seed. Papaya, so many seeds are there. This one is pumpkin. Here, tomato seeds. These seeds present inside the fruit are in dormant form or in inactive forms. When they will get proper condition, can be grown into several new plants. So now let's start the topic. First of all, we will learn about what is seed. Seed is a inedible, indigestible part of plant fruit which present in dormant, I already told you, in dormant or inactive condition, grows into a new plant called seedling when gets proper condition like good sunlight for good proper warmth, appropriate water, air, etc. These seeds can be grown into several new plants when it gets proper condition. When it inside in a fruit, it sleeps inside the fruit in an inactive form. Now, what is germination? The process of growth of seed into a new baby plant or seedling called germination of seed. I can show you the picture of how a seed germinate into a plant. Can you see this? This is cotyledon and this one is seed coat that comes out from the cotyledon, and one shoot comes out from the soil and root is inside the soil. I will explain you how germination process take place step by step. Stages of germination of seed. The seed gets proper air, water and warmth when it shown. The seed then swells up and its seed coat bursts open to give rise to a new plant. The seedling that develops root and a tiny green shoot comes out. The new plant develops into root and shoot above the soil. As a new plant grows, it shows properly developed leaves. And a mature plant does not show cotyledon as they shrink and disappear. I can explain you these stages through the picture. Now we will learn how seed germinate through the picture. Can you see this? This is a seed sown inside a soil. When it gets proper warmth, water, nutrients, air, then it swells up and an embryo, can you see this embryo? Embryo comes out like this. Its seed coat can burst up. A small root goes downward, will grow downward, and a shoot grown above the soil. Can you see this? This one is cotyledon, from where a growing plant get food. This is the food factory of this growing plant or seed. Can you see this? Then slowly small leaves grown from this seedling. And when a plant fully grown up, this cotyledon used up and a plant grown up into a new baby plant, and now it will get its nutrients, its water from soil. This is how a seed germinate into a new plant. Now let me explain you some important points you should remember about germination of seed. Growing embryo get its food from cotyledon. I already explained you in picture also. A seedling or a newborn baby plant start getting its food from soil. Why? I think I already explained you that a cotyledon get used up, then a new plant germinate. Because when it is in first stage, second stage, third stage, fourth stage, from where it is getting food? It is getting food from cotyledon. And when it comes to a stage when a new plant grows up, that time the cotyledon is used up. And then a plant start getting food from the soil. You should not show too many seeds close to one another. Why? Because if you will show so many seeds together, then they will compete for their requirement, for their needs. And some will get less amount of nutrient, less amount of water, proper condition to grow, then they will die. So that's why you should show the seeds with a distance. Then they will get a proper space, proper air, proper warmth, proper nutrients to grow into a good plant. All seeds do not germinate. This is also one thing you should know, that all seeds do not germinate. Why? Because some seeds are eaten by birds or insects, or some are destroyed by harsh weather condition. Because I already explained you, for germination a proper condition needed, and when seeds does not get proper condition, they are destroyed. So thank you, student. Stay home, stay safe, keep doing your work. I will continue with my next video, where we will learn about agriculture of this chapter. Thank you.